Busan in southern Korea. This is 박원욱 Hospital that specializes in spine and joints. A 17-year-old boy has arrived from Vladivostok, Russia. His name is Vladislav. From the front, it might not be easy to notice the problem with his back.
Повседневной жизни, при долгой ходьбе болели ноги, также болели колени, болела поясница. Что еще? Не мог таскать тяжести, не мог заниматься долго физической деятельностью, потому что быстро уставал. Вот это основные проблемы, беспокоящие меня.
His spine started growing abnormally when he was 12 years old. Before he knew it, he had a curved back, making it hard for him to hang out with his friends or go to school. Ever since he started having pains all over his body, he couldn't go about his daily routine. He has adolescent idiopathic kyphosis. The term idiopathic implies that there's no identifiable cause. In his case, the spine curves forward, pressing the heart and lung and causing organ malfunctions. It also causes muscular and ligament problems and pain. A thorough checkup shows that his back is curved at 70 degrees. Given that an average person's spine curve measures 20 to 30 degrees, Vladislav suffers from a severe case of kyphosis. He undergoes a series of tests in internal medicine and surgical departments. Images taken with only a tenth of the radiation of a conventional X-ray show his spine curvature in 3D. He also does a gait test and musculoskeletal examination. I will measure how much the body is curved, how the shoulder and pelvic bones are misaligned. I will also see how the pressure is distributed on the soles of the feet. This machine measures the strength of the core area that supports the spine. A strong core will hold the spine steady, so a pre-surgery assessment of Vladislav's core strength is vital to designing his post-op rehabilitation and treatment plans. To treat kyphosis, doctors need to study many different clinical cases. It's important to plan out the surgery thoroughly, since the doctors have to put bolts in the bones to strengthen the curved spine. In order to straighten the spine, a portion of the spine must be removed. The vertebrae are straightened out with the screws and connected with metal rods. Lastly, bones can be grafted to straighten the spine. Dr. 박원욱 visits Vladislav before the surgery to put the boy's mind at ease. Both Vladislav and his mother are clearly nervous about the upcoming operation.
Послезавтра будет операция. 감기 안 들도록. Нужно постараться не проспить. 큰 수술은 낫지만 위험하지 않다고. 너무 걱정하지 말라고 얘기해 주세요. Не переживайте, все будет нормально. Расслабьтесь.
Being a single mother, Svetlana couldn't even conceive the idea of surgery for her son. She is grateful for this opportunity.
Я, конечно, волнуюсь, да, потому что серьезная операция, да, волнуюсь, и я надеюсь, что все будет хорошо.
long 6-hour operation begins. The surgery is called posterior correction and screw fixation with fusion. The patient is put under general anesthesia and the curved part of his spine is removed before bolts are affixated to the bone transplants. Dr. Park must be very careful not to damage the nerves.
이게 이제 뼈를 자르는 수술이거든요. 그것도 한 개가 아니고 최소한 5개 정도를.
I'm going to remove at least 5 sections of the spine to straighten the spine. The nerves can be damaged during the process, but we use an ultrasound tool to remove the bones to reduce the risk of nerve injuries.
이게 신경 다칠 확률이 굉장히 적어지죠.
You see here how the spine is curved. We'll use screws and bone grafts to straighten it out. It takes about 3 months for the bones to fuse together, so he will have to wear a brace for 3 months.
그래도 한 3개월 정도는 잡아야 되거든요. 그래서 보조기를 3개월 정도 차는 거죠.
Just 2 days after the surgery, Vladislav is seen walking around in a brace. Physical therapy is a must if the bones are to stay in proper alignment. He will have to wear a thoracolumbocerebral brace for a while. But he's already walking the treadmill, albeit slowly. He'll be able to lead a normal life in 3 months.
Я очень благодарна этой клинике, Паквону, что нас взяли на эту операцию по такой акции, скажем так, да, по благотворительной акции. Вот, что у нас есть такая возможность, потому что финансово для нас это практически было бы неподъемно за свой счет сделать такую операцию, переезд. И, у нас появились возможности быть полноценным, как он сам говорит, Влад, да, что ура, я буду полноценным человеком.
Grateful for all the medical team has done for him, the boy takes small yet confident steps toward his future.